home sewer inspection using a drain camera. Before you purchase your next home, you will undoubtedly have a complete home inspection done. What you might overlook is a home sewer inspection, and that would be most unwise. Let me explain why you should inspect your home sewer well before you purchase your next home. While a high-definition sewer camera inspection costs only around $375, a home sewer replacement costs many thousands of dollars. In New York City, for instance, a sewer replacement will cost anywhere from around $12,000 to $16,000. With that said, it should be clear that a sewer camera inspection is a wise investment. After you own your new house, you do not want to also own a sewer full of tree roots or collapsed pipes. An HD sewer camera will provide you with a crystal clear and shareable online video of your entire pipe system. If a problem does exist, it will show you what the problem is and exactly where the problem is. Most importantly, the burden of the repairs will fall on the current owner, not you. If you happen to live in the New York City area, trust your Balkan Drain Team for an expert home sewer inspection utilizing the most modern equipment.